In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix party channel on Fortnite. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having trouble talking to your party members when you lobby up and queue to play any game mode, this could be attributed to the settings that you have on your account. So before you even start a match, what I would recommend is when you have some time off, click on your icon, go over to the menu and access the settings. Now switch over to the audio category. I'm going to assume that you are having trouble using the party chat to talk with others if you have a microphone and you can't listen to them, and they can't hear you as well. All that you have to do in the audio category is scroll all the way down until you reach voice chat. The single most important thing is that you need to make sure that voice chat is set to either friends only, friends and teammates, or everybody. If it is set to off, it is going to be completely disabled and you won't be able to listen to your party in the party channel. Now, you can leave it on friends only if everyone on the party channel is friends with you on your Epic Games account, or alternatively friends and teammates. This way you can be sure that regardless of who joins your party, you will also be able to hear them. At the end of the day, most people just leave it on everybody and you will be able to hear everyone struggle free. Now, you will be able to leave this off when possible. This way, it is going to be more optimized. As you can see, voice reporting will be off in parties formed among friends, where all players have voice reporting off when possible, and you should be able to read the description here. I usually wouldn't mess with this because it shouldn't impact your experience fixing party channel. And then the next thing to look at is the voice chat method. If you have it set to push to talk, you need to go into the keyboard settings and check which key you have attributed to voice chat. It is going to be over here on the communication settings, and as you can see, for me to talk over my microphone, I need to hold T. So if you aren't pressing down on the button that you have set to push to talk, they won't be able to hear you. If this is going to be a struggle for you, just make sure that it is set to open mic. If it is set to mute, no one is going to be able to hear you. The last thing to check are the voice chat input and output devices. Input is the microphone that you want to use, meaning how your voice goes through and the game and other people will hear you, and the output is going to be how you hear other people. These can be speakers or headphones. You can go over to the control panel on your computer, find the sound settings, and in here, look through all disconnected and disabled devices. Make sure that the one you want to use is enabled and set as default. Restart the game and it should appear on the list. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix party channel on Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.